Hi guys, what's going on? This is Ashkaf here from AhmadAshkaf.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review Billy Does Charm. As per the name, this is a very charm program that is going to create traffic to you all using one of the biggest traffic source in the online system, that is Quora. This charm is going to come to you all on 13th October 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there till 18th October midnight Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time. During this period you are going to get this product, the one time price, then you can use that for lifetime. With this product I am going to throw some mind-blowing, completely free, excellent, insane bonuses. 4 bonuses are allocated with this charm from my side. Those bonuses are valued around $1,300. You are going to get completely free of charge. Those 4 bonuses are also going to show you all how to generate income, online income, using 4 different methods. Also vendor is to allocated some bonuses, or that also we are going to get for free of charge. So you please stick with me. I am going to walk you all through my bonus page, my sales page, members area, upsells and downsells. To get this product, what you have to do is, in this YouTube description there's a link. You click that link down there, then you will come to my bonus page, which looks something like this. If you scroll a little bit down, you have these golden yellow bars here. If you click this, it will take you to the sales page. In the sales page, if you scroll a little bit down and if you click this bar here again, and then you can get this charm for one-time price, and you can enjoy. This is the one-time. With this one-time price, as I told you, I am going to throw some mind-blowing, insane bonuses. First of all, we will see more about what is this charm is. That is, they are talking, the person who created, that is Billy Does, saying Billy Does latest traffic getting technology, leverage 100 million Quora visitors, dozens of automated profit getting features. That is the main part of it. So what with this you're going to get within $7 million worth digital products sold. We know a thing or two about converting your traffic into cold hard cash. You can see for the month of January 2021, we drove 1,440 plus affiliate sales for our partner launches. This is a totally unique and fresh product which will practically sell itself. All you need to do is queue up the emails and enjoy the commissions. We always go all out in terms of copy, designs and VSLs. Long story short, we guarantee your traffic converts, period, guys. We also deploy retargeting, follow-ups, emails, other ninja tactics to ensure this is one of your best promos for 2021. That is the best part of this the Quora, guys. So as I told you, I am going to throw some mind-blowing, insane, completely free of charge bonuses. First we'll go and see those bonuses, and then we'll come back to the prices and upsells. My first bonus is, that is with this coming, is a Nigma. What this Nigma is going to do is, this is going to work with Facebook. It is going to download the viral Facebook videos. That viral videos already have many views and many shares and many comments. This will enable to download those videos. Then what you can do is, you can put your link to those videos and upload that video to your Facebook account. So by that, this video will go viral again, and the people who are watching and click on those video and come back to your links, and they will buy from the link, and by that you are going to generate a good income. That is Enigma, guys. My second tutorial is, that is another advertisement platform, that is a Bing advertisement platform. This is from Microsoft. In this tutorial will show you how to accelerate your traffic with Bing ads. If you know you might have heard what is Bing, but you may not know how to accelerate your traffic using this Bing ads platform. So this tutorial will show that how to do that, guys. My third bonus is, that is content curation hack. That means if you now, we'll say you have a page, okay, now you have web pages or anything, and you have to write contents. If you don't know how to write contents, or if you're lazy to write contents, or if you don't want to write content by yourself, this tutorial will show how to do that without writing a single word by yourself. This content creation hack will teach you how to write contents to any of your page without writing a single word by yourself. The other fourth bonus tutorial, that is Gemini, Get Gemini. This is another full course. It is going to show you how to do email marketing from A to Z, and by that it will show you how to convert your offers. By that you can target the cold traffic to your offers, and you can make more income using this tutorial, guys. That is my fourth bonuses. The fifth bonus is, that is vendor bonuses. All the vendor bonuses are in the members area. Now Vim is also going to throw some mind-blowing insane bonuses. I will see one by one that also. $1,169 a day for free. Swipe the exact same offers we used to generate an average of 1,169 a day every single day throughout the 2020 without any advertising cost. That is the first bonus tutorial. Second bonus tutorial is, that is the like that Wendy is allocated 4 bonus tutorial, guys. You can leisurely read this. Now we'll go and see. I'm coming back to my bonus page, and we'll go and see what is this charm is priced for. The front end is just $17, guys. For this $17, what you're going to get is access the powerful charm software and the training module. That is more than necessary at the moment. Once you started to generate income, you can go and upgrade for the upsells, other upsells. Those upsells also necessary. Then only you will have the full picture of charm by using. Then only you can generate the exact system of the income with this charm, guys. Okay, now the first upsell is the unlimited edition of charm. Has multiple template, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. That is the first upsell. The second upsell is this. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. And the third upsell is you'll be able to activate all the automation tools with charm. And the fourth upsell is you will get 200 customizable video templates that you can use with charm. And the fifth upsell is will give your customers 50 proven TikTok campaign that you copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok, guys. That is the fifth upsell. Now we'll see some key benefits of this charm, guys. So that is, they are talking one-click autopilot viral traffic, easy user seeing insane results, attain financial peace of mind, no technical skills or no extra cost, quit your job, travel and be free, free gift our 100 million CB sites, plus get results out of get paid $500 back, guys. Those are the key benefits. So now I'm going to take you all to the sales page. This is the sales page of this charm. Again, they are talking. Sorry, guys. I'm having a runny nose today. The world's first autopilot Cora machine gets you free viral traffic in 26 seconds without technical skills, manual work, or huge cost. That they are talking for one-click autopilot viral traffic, early users seeing insane results, attain financial free peace of mind, no technical skills or no extra costs needed, quit your job, travel and be free, free gift our 100 million CB sites, or plus get results or get paid $500 back, and 365 days money back guarantee also they have allocated with this charm, guys. So now we'll see what is this charm. The welcome video for your update. That
this one weird button lets you activate a machine, which in turn makes all your dreams come true. A machine which has taken us from rags to riches. What kind of machine, you might ask? A free viral traffic machine unlike no other. A software that taps into over 300 million monthly visitors. That's 10 million visitors a day, which works out to be $400 115 visitors every freaking second. Now, the average shop in the world pays between $10 to $20 per hour, but with our new system, we can pocket a cool $129 an hour. That's the power of leveraging this platform. That's the power of being able to get free viral traffic on demand in seconds. And that's the power of switching out what we like to call autopilot or machine. Introducing a real-world first Chomp, the most powerful free viral traffic solution ever created. Period.
Okay, guys, you heard the introduction video from this charm and the creator. So if you go further down in this sales page, there are more information to know and understand. So I will leave this part to you. You can go through the entire sales page and read and understand before buying this. So this is the person behind this charm. This is Billy Da. He's the person who created this product for your for $70, guys. So if you go further down again, they're talking more and more benefit, why you want to buy and everything. So I will leave this part to the entire sales page for you to read and understand to buy this charm from my link, guys, for $17 during this launch. I'm taking you on to the members area. This is the members area. In this members area, everything is they have given in the video format. So what you have to do is, once you buy this, you have to go through all this training one by one without skipping a video, or without jumping a video to another video, without listening to full. So that means, in other words, you have, without skipping, please watch the entire video training. This will take around 1 hour or 2 hours. That's all, because before the review video I went and see that most of the training. So it will take 1 or 2 hours. Once you understand and get the full picture, then you can implement. Then only you will get the full outcome of this charm, guys. So but here again I'm reminding, please go through, once you purchase this from my link, please go through the training one after the other, because everything they have here the training, it will take the training section. Here the dashboard, here the Quora questions, how to get the Quora link, URL shorteners and social blast, and everything they have given, every topics they have given in different video format, guys. So what you have to do is, you have to watch and listen, then only you will be able to understand, then only you have to implement, guys. So okay, then if you click the training, it will come to the training module. So here everything is there. So you have to put little bit effort. That's again one thing I have to say, if you buy this product from my link, you are not going to be a rich person tomorrow, and there is no one button pressing system to become a millionaire in the online system. We have done 80% of work using this charm, how to generate income through this Quora. You have to put your effort, then only both will come to make the 100% work, and you can generate income using this charm, guys. So if you buy this and if you just stay, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so you have to do something, then only you will get something. Okay, that is the theory on any business, let it be online or offline. You have to do something, then only you will get something, guys. So that's all I have to talk about this charm review, guys. Now I will show you how to claim the bonuses. This is, as I told you, this is launched by Warrior Plus. Once you buy this, once you purchase this, you hover your mouse near the account section in the Warrior Plus. A menu will pop down. In that menu, you have purchase history. In that purchase history, if you click that, you will come to this voucher. In this voucher, if you click this blue color bar here, you will get this bonuses to your computer without any trouble, guys. So that's all I have to talk about this charm review. If you have any questions or clarification that I have to give more about this charm, do not hesitate to leave a comment in this comment section. I will get back to you soon, as soon as possible. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, because I used to review IT products, digital cloud-based products, digital products, IT products, and how to generate income and how to do tutorial as well. So all those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, guys. So, and even if you are new or old, everyone, Please, before leaving this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. That will make a good impact in this YouTube algorithm. So I wish you all the best of success with this charm, guys. Thank you very much for all the way watching this video, and again I wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye bye.